Hello everyone. Today we will discuss activity-based costing sum. So question is here, the budgeted overhead and cost driver volumes of that AA Limited or as follows. The cost pool is given here. Budgeted overhead amount is given here in the second column. The third one is cost driver is given. Budgeted volume. So cost driver is nothing but that is a factor which will cause a change in the cost of the activity. Okay, and here in the paragraph, it is told the company has produced a batch of 2,500 components of AZ4. Its material cost was 1,10,000, labor cost was 1,90,000. The usage of activities of this batch are material order 21, setup of machines 19, maintenance hours 510, number of inspections 26, machine hours 1,300. Calculate cost driver rate that are used for computing appropriate amount of overhead to this batch and ascertain the cost of the batch of the component using ABC, activity-based costing method. So first we will find out the calculation of cost driver rate. Okay, so here cost pool is given, cost driver is given correctly here. Material procurement, cost driver is number of order. Machine setup, cost driver will be number of setup. Okay, so sometimes they will give in a mixed way also. So we'll be able to find out what is the right cost driver for the pool. Okay, so first we'll find out the cost driver rate. So here we want the table. So first we'll draw the table. Okay, so first item is, first we'll write particulars. Next is our calculation. So I'm writing as details, and next is cost driver rate. Okay, so in particulars column, we will write all of the pool items. So we have 5 items, that 5 items we'll write here. Okay, and for this cost driver is what? Already given here. Okay, so the calculation will be procurement amount is 4,05,000 divided by number of order is 900. Okay, so that will be how much rupees? 450. Everything is rupees, so I'm giving a common heading here as rupees. And for machine setup, how much? 3,59,100 divided by cost driver is nothing but number of setup, that is 450. Correct. So divided by 450. So we will get rupees 798. For maintenance, the amount is given in the third one as 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 divided by cost driver is maintenance hours. That is nothing but 3,000. So it's nothing but rupees 80. Okay, so budgeted overhead amount divided by cost driver. That will be the cost driver rate. Cost driver rate formula is budgeted overhead divided by cost driver. So quality control, we have 1,40,000 divided by number of inspection is 700. So it's nothing but 200 rupees. Okay, so machinery overhead is 4,80,000 divided by number of machine hours is 24,000. So overhead amount by cost driver get cost driver rate, it's nothing but 20. So this is how we should find out the cost driver rate. Now next we have to ascertain. So ascertainment of cost of batch of component. Which component? AZ4. That is our component. How much we are producing? 2,500 batch. So this is our next calculation. Okay, so we will make the columns ready first. So here also 3 columns are sufficient for us. Okay, so first one is particulars, same way, particulars, details, and batch size. That is nothing but rupees. This is rupees only, just writing for our reference. Batch size is given as 2,500 components. Rupees. Okay, so the first one. So all of us know how to prepare the cost sheet. Correct. So prime cost is nothing but aggregate of direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. So here Material cost and labor cost is given in the first line. Okay, so material cost. So here you'll write material cost is nothing but 1,10,000, and direct labor also is given. So labor cost is given in the second line as 1,90,000. Okay, so 1,10,000 plus 1,90,000, nothing but 3 lakh. And this will be called as prime cost. Okay, then next we will add all the overhead. Okay, so we will do one by one. Okay, so the same items we have material procurement. So material procurement we have, machine setup we have, maintenance we have. First we'll write everything. Then we have quality control. Then we have machinery. Okay, and when we do this, that will be called as, when we add this will be called as total cost. Now, how to find out this? That way, calculation we can do it here. Okay, so now when you look into the question, so first two lines we already covered. The next one, usage of the activities of this batch are material order. Material order is how much is given? 21. Okay, material order is given as 21. So 21 into, what is the material procurement cost driver rate? As per our calculation, 450. So 21 into 450. Okay, so we will get 9,450. Okay, then the next one, machinery setup. Machinery setup. Setup of machine is given here as 19. So 19 into cost driver rate of setup is 798. So 19 into 798. So we will getting 15,152. Okay, and for maintenance, the usage of the activity of maintenance hours is 510. So 510 into cost driver rate of maintenance as per calculation is 80. Okay, so 510 into 80. So we will get 40,800. Okay, then the fourth item is quality control. So quality control is nothing but inspection. So number of inspection is 26. So 26 into 200. So here we will write 26 into 200, nothing but 5,200. And for machinery, it is given, machine hours is how much? 1,300. So 1,300 into 20. 1,300 into 20, we will get 26,000. So when we add all this overhead, we will be getting 96,612. 96,612 is the overhead amount in total. Okay, so material plus labor is prime cost plus overhead amount is the total cost. So when we do 3 lakh plus 96,612, we will get total cost as, total cost is 3,96,612. So this is how we should find out the cost of batch of component using ABC method. I hope you understood. Thank you.